Okay, in this video we are going to see how to install Qflow in your virtual box Ubuntu. Qflow is an open source tool chain which consists of various tools for a separate process, consists of uses, magic, netgen, OpenSTA, OpenTimer, like various tool. Each tool performs a separate operation in the RTL to GDS flow. We can go one by one. Okay, just type sudo apt git install git. If you installed already, it will show you a message like zero update and zero installed. Just type your password and wait. Here it's showing zero upgraded and zero newly installed, which means your git is already up to date. Okay, and this process is finished. This Qflow is given by VST Flow. Now we are just cloning from GitHub, so we just type the command git clone https / and github.com / Kunal G 123 / VSD Flow. VST Flow is just an VLSI coaching center or something like that. They are offering many courses. They are worthful. You can check it out in Chrome, but just typing VST Flow courses. They are offering many courses. I'm already installed it, so okay, if you type that, it will get installed. After installation, just type ls and see here there is a new directory called VST Flow, and this is your tool chain. Now we need to set up your tool chain. For that, simply go inside your VST Flow. For that, use the command cd VST Flow, and now you are inside your VST Flow. See here, there are many tools and scripts are there. The scripts are already written. You just run the scripts. It will install the tools automatically in your root. You see there are many tools, and you see here is a Pico RV32 design. This is just a RISC-V RTL to GDS constraints flow. This is useful to just test your tool. This is not a proper way to do the RTL to GDS flow. Just to use this and test the tool is working good or not. If the Pico RV32 is completed up to down, the tool is installed good, or else you need to reinstall your tool. And here is an script called open source underscore ed underscore tools underscore install .sh, which means this is a shell script. In this script inside there are many commands, and if you run the single shell text file, it will automatically install and run the everything in your background. Okay, for that you need to change the permission for that script. For that, just type chmod 777 and type that opensource cd tool install .sh. Now its permission is changed to root. Okay, the next step is to run the script. For running, just type / and type the opensource cd tool install .sh, and simply press enter. Then it will start run whole the scripts inside this. Now it will start running. It will take more times, approximately 20 to 30 minutes to download based on your internet speed. Now I am just skipping this. Okay, now it's already Okay, now everything is installed, and now we need to check that the flow is correctly installed or not. First we are checking magic. Type magic and press enter. It will open a magic. And next we are checking the USS tool. This is for synthesis. See, USS also installed successfully. Just type exit to exit from the USS. Okay, next we are going to test the open timer, and type open timer, press enter. You see open timer is also installed. Press type exit and press enter to get exit of the open timer. And then you need to verify the main Qflow. This is the Qflow, and the main advantage of Qflow is that comparing to the open LAN, is the open LAN didn't have an GUI, graphical user interface. The open LAN is totally operated by the terminal only, but in Qflow there is an additional option in GUI. You can operate the Qflow by graphical interface. For that, press just type Qflow GUI and press enter. It will show you the graphical interface. You see here all the processes are listed down, like synthesis, placement, STA, routing, post STA, DRC, LVS, GDS. You see here you need to select the source code and the project directory. You see inside the VST flow, this is my project directory, and now I am selecting my Verilog source code. Here the source code is already given. I said you already. Inside the Verilog folder, you see there are two verilog.v files. We are taking a picorv32.v. Now we are just run the preparation. Yeah, it's done. Next we are running synthesis, and it all will take much more time to complete, because there's are large files. If you use a high-end PC, it will complete fastly. Okay, synthesis finished. Now I am just running the placement. You see here it's running the placement. It will automatically run the floor plan, and it will start your placement soon. You can wait and see until this video. If I test every tool, it will take much more time, so I am just leaving here. You simply press run to check this tool, and soon I will post the videos how to operate and how to use this tool practically. Okay, you see now the floor plan is happening here. Every macros and standard cells are placing. You see it's just blinking between 5 seconds, which is iteration. It's iterating multiple times. See, now it's rearranging this macros and standard cell boxes. It will repeat several times. I think nearly 300 to 400 iterations will take place during this, maybe more or less. That's based on your system, or I don't know about that backend process. You need to wait until this operation completed. This operation will take more time. If you're using a low-end PC, it will surely take about 20 minutes, nearly 30 minutes. So just wait and run everything. If some tools are failed to run, just reinstall the flow and install everything from